Hello students, we are going to study change the voice of present continuous or progressive tense or past continuous tense. ओके, तर आज आपण चेंज द व्हॉइस शिकणार आहोत. कशाचे? प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स, यालाच आपण प्रोग्रेसिव्ह टेन्स पण असं म्हणतो, आणि पास्ट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. ओके, तो सर्वात आधी आपण काय करतो की सब्जेक्ट वर्ब आणि ऑब्जेक्टला अंडरलाईन करतो. तर आणि त्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्टला सब्जेक्टच्या जागी आणतो. तर इथे ऑब्जेक्ट आहे अ बुक, त्यानंतर आपण वापरतो काळानुसार आपण सहाय्यकारी क्रियापद म्हणजे हेल्पिंग वर्ब वापरतो. अ बुक इज, अ बुक इज का बरं वापरलं? व्हाय we use here is because a book is in a singular form, that's why we use here is. A book is being read by me. You all know that read, in case of read, its spelling is similar in all forms, means in base form, second form, third form, and in fourth form we use ing to make it in present participle. Okay, so here the sentence is in passive voice. A book is being read by me. This read, we can read this read, R-E-A-D, as read. Okay. Then next sentence is she is cooking food. Here she is subject. Yes, इथे she काय आहे? Subject आहे. Is cooking verb आहे आणि food object आहे. So we have to bring this food in place of subject, food. Then we have to use is. Food is being cooked by her. Okay, this her is objective mood of she. Then this was change the voice of present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Now we are going to study change the voice of past continuous tense. First example is Rama was beating the drum. Rama was beating the drum. Here Rama is subject, was beating is verb, and the drum is an object. Okay, we have to bring this object in place of subject, that is the drum. The drum was being beaten. Okay, the drum was being beaten by Rama. The drum was being beaten by Rama. Then second sentence, here people is subject, where catching is verb and a thief is an object. Okay, तर याला पॅसिव्ह वॉइस मध्ये करताना काय करावं लागेल? अ thief ला कुठे आणायचं आहे? सब्जेक्टच्या जागी आणायचं आहे. A thief was being being caught. A thief was being caught by people. By people. Okay. And example for practice is I am reading a book. Here a book is an object, I is subject, I am reading is verb. Okay, you get? Now we are going to study change the voice of imperative sentences. Okay. This is an imperative sentence. Bring that book here. Imperative sentence start with verb. Okay, it start with verb. ये verb से sentence जो है verb ने start हुई. Bring that book here. Here bring is verb. To make this sentence in passive, first of all we have to use let, then object, let that book be brought. Then here, let that book be brought here. This is passive voice of bring that book here. The next sentence is give the order. Next sentence is give the order. Here give is verb and the order is an object. To make this in passive voice we have to use first of all let. सबसे पहले let सर्वात आधी let वापरू. Let the order be given. Let the order be given. Then keep your hands off. Here keep is verb. Your hands off. Your hands is an object and off is other word. Okay. To make it passive we have to use let at the start of the sentence. Let your hands be kept off. By this way we can change the voice of imperative sentences. Here are some examples for practice. Punish the guilty, keep silence, open the door, bring me a glass of water, shout loudly. Thank you. Now we are going to study change the voice of sentences with modal, that is modal auxiliaries. तर modal auxiliaries समजा सेंटेन्स मध्ये असेल तर आपण त्याचे चेंज द व्हॉइस कसं करायचं म्हणजे पॅसिव्ह व्हॉइस मध्ये कसं करायचं ते बघणार आहोत. सर्वात आधी जो रूल आहे म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट ओळखा, वर्ब ओळखा, ऑब्जेक्ट ओळखा तर ते आधी करून टाकायचं. त्यानंतर त्याला अंडरलाईन करा आणि जो रूल आहे त्या रूल नुसार याला सुद्धा आपल्याला करायचं आहे. द शूज, हियर द शूज इज an object. The shoes is an object. Then we have to use this verb. The shoes can. After can we have to use be. The shoes can be. Then this verb, action verb in third form. Action verb in third form. The shoes can be used by us in the rainy season. In the rainy season. The shoes can be used by us in the rainy season. This is passive voice of we can use the shoes in the rainy season. Next sentence, we could hear the loud voices. Here we is subject, could is could hear is verb, the loud voices is an object. Okay, to make it passive, first of all bring this object in place of subject, the loud voices, then could, then we have to use be, then heard. Okay, then heard by us. Okay, the loud voices could be heard by us. Then next sentence, he would carry the load. The load would be carried. The load would be carried by him. The load would be carried by him. Okay, this is very simple, and these are examples for practice. First, they must do it. Father may not allow you. He should leave the place. Vegetables should be covered tightly while cooking. Now we are going to study change the voice of sentences with direct and indirect object. Change the voice शिकणार आहोत आपण कशाचे, असे सेंटेन्सेस ज्यामध्ये डायरेक्ट ही ऑब्जेक्ट असेल आणि इनडायरेक्ट ही ऑब्जेक्ट असेल. Then the next question is that how to identify direct and indirect object. म्हणजे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आणि इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट ओळखायचे कसे. तर आपण डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट कसं ओळखू. समजा आपण क्रियापदाला म्हणजे वर्बला व्हॉट हा प्रश्न विचारला, क्रियापदाला व्हॉट हा प्रश्न विचारला तर आपल्याला काय आन्सर मिळेल, अ पेन. म्हणजे तिने काय दिलं, पेन दिला. शी हॅज गिवन मी अ पेन. तर अ पेन हे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. अ पेन हे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आहे आणि मी हे इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट आहे. आता हे इनडायरेक्ट आहे कशावरून माहिती झालं, बिकॉज वी आस्क अ क्वेश्चन टू दिस वर्ब by whom. Okay, that's why this me is an indirect object. Okay, in such a sentence we can make two kinds of sentences of passive voice. First is with direct indirect object. This is I was given a pen by her. This I indirect object, I was given a pen by her. And with direct object, a pen was given to me by her. Similarly, we can make passive voice of this I will teach you a lesson. Here if we ask question to this verb what, we get a lesson as an answer, and whom, so you, we get you as an indirect object. A lesson here, a lesson is direct object and you is indirect object. तो हम क्या करेंगे, दो तरह से इसको हम बनाएंगे. You will taught you will be taught a lesson by me. You will be taught a lesson by me. Similarly, we can make second sentence, second passive voice sentence with a lesson. A lesson will be taught. A lesson will be taught to you by me. A lesson will be taught to you by me. It is very easy. Here are some examples for practice. First, the woman paid him money. We brought her a doll. Mr. Deshpande teaches us grammar. Okay. Now we are going to study change the voice of such sentences. We can write passive voice of those sentences without using by. Here, people speak English all over the world. We know that only people can speak. Dogs cannot, even cats cannot, even cows cannot. Okay. So this is generalization that people speak English. Okay. Here subject is people. Okay. So in such sentence we don't have to use by. Okay. How to make the passive voice of such sentences then? We have to use first of all object English, then helping verb. English is spoken. English is spoken all over the world. English is spoken all over the world. This is very generalized idea that people speak English. Okay. Then the next sentence, someone has picked my pocket. It is very common. It is common sense that only thieves can pick pocket. Okay. So someone means who? Thief. Okay. So we can make passive voice of this sentence. My pocket has been picked. My pocket has been picked. Okay. Here it is common sense that a thief has picked my pocket. Okay. It is very simple, and by this way we learn all change the voice, all rules of change the voice. Okay. Thank you.